Welcome to Pen Installation. The pen tool is available on the CMC 9000. Installing a pen has both a hardware and a software component. This is the pen holder. It will accommodate just about any pen. Drop the pen into the pen holder. Hold down the black pen locking bolt tightly against the pen and tighten the locking screw. The pen point will be automatically centered and held firmly in the holder. This is the pen cartridge. The pen holder fits into the pen cartridge. Notice the scale on the pen holder. These marks help you set each pen to the same position in the pen cartridge as you switch from pen to pen. Here is the screw that tightens the pen holder into the pen cartridge. Now we will set up a pen in the Mat Designer software. You can have up to 9 pens. In defaults, you can enter information about each pen. Click Application Defaults at the bottom of Mat Designer's main screen. Under Categories, at the left of the default screen, click Pens. Click the plus and minus buttons over here to select which pen you would like to define. We'll work with pen number 2. Give it a name, perhaps a color, or a model, or a width. You can change the color this pen displays with in Mat Designer by clicking the Color button. Either choose one of the standard colors from the palette, or click the Define Custom Colors button, and you can select any color you can imagine. When you're through with the color, click OK. When you're through defining the pen, click OK and return to Mat Designer's main screen. Now we will position the pen holder into the pen cartridge while it is in the machine. This is important because every pen is shaped differently, and the pen holder could be at a different depth than the pen cartridge. On the main screen, click Configurations at the bottom. On the Configuration screen, click the Pen tab at the top. Click the drop-down arrow and select which pen you want to work with. We'll choose pen number 2. Click Install Pen below. The message on the screen tells you to snap the cartridge into the footblock without the pen holder. Snap the pen cartridge into the footblock. When you click OK, the head drops and the cartridge plunges. The message in the software tells you to turn the blade depth dial to 0 and install the pen holder into the cartridge so that the tip of the pen just touches the mat board. You may need to press the mat board down to make sure it is flat. Turn the pen holder so you can see the marks on the scale. Make a note so that the next time you use this pen, you can set the pen holder to the same position in the pen cartridge, and you can eliminate this entire step. When you click OK, the pen will draw a spiral. As it draws, turn the blade depth knob counterclockwise until the pen draws a nice consistent line. Make a note of the final setting. The spring at the bottom of the pen cartridge should be compressed so that there is about 1/8 of an inch of space between the silver collar and the top of the pen cartridge. When you're happy with the line, click OK. Click OK again, and here we are back on the configuration screen. Now, enter the setting of the blade depth dial in the depth setting field above. This is important because a reminder of this setting will pop up every time you use this pen. The last part of installing a pen is to make sure the lines are properly registered with the mat opening. Cut an opening with a pen line about 1/4 inch away. If the line is not evenly spaced all the way around the opening, here are the horizontal and vertical adjustment fields that will correct this. Customer support will help you with these adjustments on your machine. If you have questions, call 888-855-3335. Now, to begin designing with the pen, go to Videos in the Education section of the website. In the Mat Designer section, watch Adding Pen Lines using V-Grooves, CutArt, and LetterMat.